This is what you got to do to make money from YouTube. Next. Hey, what's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm talking about making money from YouTube or on YouTube, however you want to say it. It's a hot topic right now because every single day there are more and more people waking up like, yo, people make money on YouTube. I want to make money on YouTube. They bring out their phones, they getting their webcams, and they just shooting content, and they're trying to get their channels monetized, or they're trying to create their own products and sell it. They're trying to build a brand. They're trying to do all of this stuff, and sometimes a lot of people they get into it, and then they don't see any results, right? They don't see what the other people are telling them on YouTube. You know, these people on here making $5,000, $10,000 a month from their YouTube channels, whether it be the YouTube ads or it just be affiliate marketing or whatever. There are people, and this is real. You know, a lot of stuff be fake and corny, but no, people are making money on YouTube. It is a real thing, right? Am I making the money that I want to be making on YouTube? No. Am I making money on YouTube? Yes, I am. But I got bigger goals than what I'm trying to, I mean, come on now. I mean, it's people out here, like I said, making 5,000-10,000 a month from YouTube. So what I'm realizing moving forward with YouTube, if you're doing YouTube, you got to be in it. Like, you got to like take it serious and be like, if you're trying to make money from it, you got to like strategize. You have to really, I won't say do your homework, but yeah, you do got to do your research a little bit, kind of know what you're getting into, realize that it could actually blow up overnight. That is one of them things that you could pop off overnight. A lot of people say you can't be successful. YouTube, actually, if you get a video that goes super viral, which is in most cases unlikely, but if it happens, you can go from zero to hero overnight, literally, with YouTube, and that's a cool opportunity. That alone, the thought of that, kind of motivates me to be like, wow, you can be slipping and then all of a sudden start making money. All right, so here is my mindset with YouTube right now. I have like I run like 4 channels right now, I believe. My fitness, FUIME TV, Real Internet Cash, BTFL, yeah. So I got multiple channels, but my thing is, my mindset, and this video is not going to be long at all, but it's important to be relentless. You got to be relentless with this. I see that now. Because there's times on my channel, my videos, you can look, some of my videos got 20 views, 30 views. What? That ain't going to cut it, right? And I'm still making money from AdSense, right? Which is dope. You know what I mean? But I'm like, I got to do more and really understand the keywords and searches and trends in whatever niche I'm in, and I got to bring that content. So when I say relentless, I'm dropping like a video a day. I'm gonna do it for like a month, every day. Usually I drop like 5 to 6 videos a week, but now I'm going every day on this channel particularly, and just bring good content, because I feel like it's okay to make a lot of content as long as it's good, as long as every video you bringing something to it. So this particular video, I'm saying, if you want to make money online with YouTube, I think you need to be relentless. Don't stop, and if anything, give yourself a nice chunk of time and go hard, and not just putting up any videos. Take that 15-20 minutes and research. A good tool to use, and I'll put a link to it below, is TubeBuddy. If you're not using TubeBuddy, right there, you're already slipping. You know what I mean? Everybody using TubeBuddy or vidIQ. There's other softwares out there I'm gonna look into in the future that's pretty cool. But get TubeBuddy, because this will help you analyze competition. It'll give you an idea of what people are searching for, how many people are searching for certain phrases. So if you're in a dog training niche and you're looking up, how to train your dog in 1 week, with TubeBuddy, it will allow you to see what's the monthly searches, give or take what people are searching for. It'll give you other key phrase ideas that you can actually make videos from, right? So and actually, if you get for $9, they have different plans with TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is actually free. You can start using it for free and get information to get you going. But then once you get going a little bit and you want to get deeper with it, go get you at least the $9 a month subscription, because you get a ton of features just for $9 a month. Especially if you're trying to do YouTube like full time, you definitely want to invest in tools that can better your chances of ranking videos and getting more views, right? So what my thing is, and my take on it from what I'm seeing from other YouTubers, the way they doing stuff, you got to be relentless and you got to be somewhat strategic. My plan is just to bring good content, but bring it on a regular basis. Now, obviously, because I do so much other stuff, I'm not gonna be able to do it. Well, yeah, maybe I could every day forever drop videos, right? But I'm trying to get that momentum, build that brand, be that guy. I want my channel to be where people go to it and they're like, yo, I know he's gonna bring content about making money online. I'm going to learn something from this dude. You know what I mean? And that's what I'm trying to build it up to. Because once you get stuff going, you could take a week off, not do nothing, and come back and see where you made money from YouTube, whether it be AdSense or affiliate sales, or you might even got emails for brand deals, right? So YouTube, you got to be relentless with this, I see, because YouTube's constantly changing, but the opportunity is crazy. It is, right? So I'm gonna run with it, until the wheels fall off. All right, so comment below. Let me know what you think about YouTube. Are you trying to do it full time? You got any tips? How many times are you posting a day? Are you going to be relentless when it comes to making money on YouTube? All right, so comment below, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to check out my #1 recommended program for making money online. If you want to be your own boss and be able to work from anywhere in the world, click the link in the description.